Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another Come Shop With Me video. So today we are going to CVS. I took a week off from couponing just because there wasn't really any deals that I wanted to do, but I'm back today. I'm sitting on the passenger side because we just got home and I'm gonna run down with everything I got. I just want to mention this. I did exchange the Vaseline lotion from my last Come Shop With Me. A lot of you guys left comments on that video saying that I could exchange it, and I just didn't even think about it. So shout out to you guys that mentioned that. But I did exchange it for the cocoa butter ones, so I just wanted to mention that. I got everything wrote down in my book so I can remember. Physicians Formula was on promotion for spend 10 get $7 ECB, and if you have that $3 off CRT from last week, mine didn't expire until the 15th because even though I didn't coupon last week, I still went and printed off my CRTs. So I did get that CRT, the Physicians Formula 3 off CRT, so I did use that. And I just picked up this little lip gloss here. I was watching Nicole Burgess video and she said she loved this and it lights up and all that kind of stuff. It's one of those pH ones, so it's gonna look different on everybody. So I was excited to try that out, so I did pick that up. It was $10.79. I used a 3 off CRT and I used $5 in ECBs that I had. I paid $2.66 out of pocket, and I got, ooh, you can't even see it. Alright, I paid $2.66 out of pocket and I got back $7, which I did use on my next transaction. But my second transaction was something I think everybody should pick up this week. This one was the Listerine, just the small travel size of it. Well, actually this isn't travel size, it's this one and the really small one. These ones I sell for $2.49 this week, and you get $2 ECBs back, so it's only 49 cents for this Listerine. So I picked this one up because, as you guys know, I am going to be on vacation all this week. I'm going to take this with me because I figured this would last me all week. Covergirl mascara here was on the Covergirl Flourish mascara now. It's on promotion this week for $7.99, and I used the $3 off coupon from coupons.com. It's no longer available, but that's the coupon that I did use. But if you have any more of those, or if you have any more of the $2 off coupons, definitely use that. And I used the $3 off CRT that printed at the coupon center today, so I used that as well. It took a total of $6 off. I paid $1.99 for this mascara, and I got $3 ECBs back. So this is a completely free soft soap this week. This size and the smaller ones are on sale for $1.99 and $1 off CRT printed at the coupon center, so these only 99 cents this week. And if you can print off a 50-cent coupon from softsoap.com, definitely take advantage of that and only pay 49 cents for it. But I couldn't get that coupon because for some reason every time I clicked on it, it took me to the Colgate website. It's melted. Oh, I'll have to put it in the freezer. So Mars, Airhead, and Mentos are on sale this week for $3 and if you buy 3 you get a $1 ECB back. So I went ahead and got that, and I used a $1 off CRT for candy, for the chocolate Mars candy CRT. So I did use that. Paid $2 for this, got $1 back, so it ended up being $1 for all 3 of these. I just got M&M's, melted Snickers. I need to go put it in the freezer, and a pack of Airheads. So $7 extra buck from the Physicians Formula. I used that. I paid 48 cents out of pocket, if you guys can see that, 48 cents out of pocket. And then I actually used the 69-cent gift card that I got back for the lotions when I exchanged those. $1 back for the candy, $2 back for the Listerine, and $3 back for the mascara. So I ended up getting $6 back in total, and I'm pretty sure I hit beauty. But yeah, just to run down a few beauty deals that I didn't pick up, but I think you guys should. So Revlon Super Luxurious lip products are on promotion this week for $6.99. We did get a $3 off coupon in the Smart Source. So you're gonna pay $3.99 and get back $4. So it ended up being completely free, and there's a limit to 6 to that offer. Revlon plumping lips. This would be a good time to try those because they are $7.99. You want to use that $3 off lip coupon and pay $4.49, get back $3. Also, Maybelline Total Temptation mascara and their brow products are $7.99 this week, but you can do one or the other. You can't do both. If you buy one, you get a $3 ECB back. So $4.99 is a really good price. If I was you, I would get the mascara Almay, just because I had a $3 off CRT, and we are getting coupons in the same Smart Source. It is on promotion this week. Spend $12, get $4 ECB. So I just wanted to mention that. And Wet n Wild, it also has coupons in the paper this week, and they are on promotion for spend 10 get $5 back. And that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna run in the house now. I hope you guys enjoyed this come shop with me video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys picked up on your shopping trip today. And I think that is about it. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.